Okay, so we're back at assignment 3, which wasn't as hard as the first assignment, and just I had a hard time getting the stored data to work. This one was a lot easier. I understand in validation, we went over that in SDI, just trying to get the email to validate, and phone numbers and things like that. And I think that's good, because then that makes sure that you get the data that you need in the format that you need it in. So here's kind of my form. It's Bible Studies to Go, so it's just a way to submit different Bible study lessons. And so if we were to just go through this and maybe we didn't put anything in, we just, let's just add a new lesson, then I'll throw up the validation, which right now I have validating is the lesson name, the author name, an email, and a topic. So if we were to put in, say, a lesson on pride, written by my husband, we'll say it's Christian life, and then maybe we just put his name in there and never actually put in a real address. Well, then what it'll do is it'll accept the others, it'll clear out the red boxes, and I'll just say please enter a valid email address. So if we did just .com, then we know that's also not going to work. And I followed the regular expressions that we had been provided through the video. And so if we go ahead and add this, then it'll say that my lesson was successfully saved, and then now we can display that, and his will be down here at the bottom. So it worked. I can go in and edit it, and we'll say this is for all adults instead. And then we'll say it was successfully saved, so we'll display that. And now it says adults. And so the one that we just did, which, it has an audience of null, and that's kind of the default link, we can delete this lesson. And I put the confirmation of, are you sure you want to delete this lesson? And we'll just say, okay. Go ahead and delete it, and then it's successfully deleted. So if we display it, we'll have 3 again, and then the one I displayed wasn't there. And so that in this case, my validation errors, of course, would just be enter a lesson name, an author name, valid email, and topic. It's pretty straightforward. I didn't have too hard of a time with this one, but definitely a good lesson learned. Definitely a good thing to know about validation and just being able to throw up different errors and stuff like that. That's all I got. Thanks a lot.